Distinguished audience, the chief guest of this function, Sri Gulab Nabi Azad ji, Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar ji, Nanik Bhai, all other dignitaries on the dais, Anil ji, Milind ji, Neeraj Bajaj ji, Niranjan ji, and all the ladies and gentlemen. First, I would like to thank you, Nanik Bhai. I would like to thank you for two things. One is for inviting me here, and second, keeping the time bell in your hand. Otherwise, speaker has to play this role, and you know how difficult job is. Milind ji and Piyush ji can describe, and you may be also watching on TV. It's a great matter of privilege for me to be part of this memorable event. I take this opportunity to congratulate the shining stars of our society, Shri Kumar Mangalam Ji Birla, Dr. Samil Brahmachari, Mr. Neeraj Deva, Dr. Deos, Ms. Deepika Padukone, Mr. Aditya Puri, and Dr. Charles. Also, there are two separate felicitations, one of Sri Milind Devra and for his induction in the Union Cabinet as a Minister of State for Communication, and second Sri Piyush Goyal for his appointment as a member of Rajya Sabha. Many of the speakers have described and spoken much about Priyadarshini Academy, the distinguished awardees, the distinguished audience, and all those who are supporting Priyadarshini Academy. I have no words to describe all of you, but I salute all of you for the greatest work for the nation and for the society. Priyadarshini Academy, set up by Mr. Nanik ji in 1985 as a non-profit socio-cultural and educational organization. The Academy was started with the aim of rendering service to humanity. I believe the Academy has successfully met its goals consistently since its inception and has been able to provide educational assistance to deserving and needy students. That Academy has been providing opportunities to talented artists in the field of classical music, dance, painting, sculpture, and it gives them recognition by organizing shows and also promotes awareness programs on Vedic research amongst other such topics. It must be appreciated here that with each passing year of the Priyadarshini Academy is setting itself newer and higher goals of social endeavor. Global Awards Advisory Committee, Chairman and eminent Indian scientist, Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar ji, and other distinguished members deserve compliments for choosing such marvelous area of luminaries for these awards. From banking sector to Bollywood and from European Parliament to entrepreneurship, the selected spectrum of awardees is wide and it touches almost all walks of life. My friends have spoken something about the systems in India and politics, what happens in the country. Putting all these things in a broader perspective, either administration or politics, in India, I would rather like to say, nowadays, India is passing through a very critical phase. Aggressive media, judicial activism, NGOs and some self-declared reformists is leading to some negativity in our society. This type of negativism causes stagnation and hampers consistency of our development-oriented policies. This chaotic situation has led to what is now being referred to as a policy paralysis in our country. Public at large perceive each and every politician and leader in various fields, either it is a business, either it is an industry, or it is any other, that all are either guilty, criminals, or something more than that what is described by the others. I feel this is a major threat to the fabric of our democracy. The guilty and irresponsible leadership deserves to be punished, but it is not fair to measure all the leaders by the same yardstick. Against the backdrop of this scenario, Priyadarshini Academy and its commitment towards social cause is like a beacon from the lighthouse by the sea. To choose such diversified talent from different fields of activity and to felicitate them before the public is very commendable task. I congratulate all the dedicated office bearers of Priyadarshini Academy for carrying out this onerous task so well. This indeed highly commendable contribution will definitely help nullifying the negativism that is currently prevailing in our society and inspire one and all to do their best for the society, the nation, and the world at large. I would like to once again congratulate each and every awardee for their outstanding contribution in enriching our lives and best wishes for better tomorrow. Thank you.